Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your voice using AI. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An AI voice changer is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to transform your voice, either in real time or after recording, to sound like other person, a different character, or customized vocal styles. So how to do it if you want to change your voice into another character using AI? It's very simple. First of all, you can search on your browser 11labs. You can sign up. If you don't know how to sign up, you can check on my previous video about how to sign up to 11lab. After that, here's your first look when you open the 11labs AI. Now you can see there's so much option. The feature you can use text to speech, voice changer, sound effects, voice isolator, and like this. Because we want to change our voice, you can choose on voice changer. And then here, you can click to upload or drag and drop, or you can record your audio. For the example, we'll just choose on record audio. I'll start to record my voice. These tools go beyond simply pitch and tone adjustment by employing advanced technologies like deep learning and language models to create natural sound. Okay, here's before we change our voice. These tools go beyond simply pitch and tone adjustment by employing advanced technologies like deep learning and language models to create natural sound. Now, we want to change it to another character. We can see in here on voice. You can select on voice. You can choose on the voice that you want to change. You can hear the example. Here's for Rachel.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Here's Ellie.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates.
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
For example, I will choose on Bill. You can also change the stability, similarity, and style generation. You can also remove background noises in here. You can enable by click on the toggle. Now you can just click on generate speech. Now you can just wait until
The
it
tools
finishes.
go beyond simple pitch and tone adjustment by employing advanced technologies like deep learning and language models to create natural sound.
So here's the result. Let's hear it.
The tools go beyond simple pitch and tone adjustment by employing advanced technologies like deep learning and language models to create natural sound.
It's before. These tools go beyond simply pitch and here's after.
The tools go beyond simple.
It's very cool, right? Now you can just download it. And you can use it. Maybe you want to add this sound to video, or maybe you want to upload it to your social media. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your voice using AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.